Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error USB laptop not working. Chapter 1. How to fix error USB laptop not working using app. To start, open the Rufus application, which you can download and install from the link you see in the video description. When accessing, in the device field, select the USB with error. Then, in boot selection, set the non-bootable option. Finally, click Start, click OK, and now wait for this process to be completed. Chapter 2. How to fix error USB laptop not working from Disk Manager. To start, right-click on Start and click on Disk Management. After this, right-click on the USB drive and click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. In the pop-up window, click Change and select the new drive letter to use. Click OK and the unit will automatically be recognized. Chapter 3. How to fix error USB laptop not working configuring power. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Now in Universal Serial Bus Controllers, double-click on the controller with error. After that, go to the Power Management tab. Here, uncheck the box, allow the computer turn off this device to save power. Apply this change. Chapter 4. How to fix error USB laptop not working updating driver. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Here in the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, right-click on the controller with error. Choose the Update Driver option. After this, click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to validate whether or not there is an update for the driver. If you kike, click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Wait TOC if exist any update. Chapter 5. How to fix error USB laptop not working from Task Manager. To start, open the Task Manager from the Start menu. After that, click on Run New Task. In the small window, enter CMD and you must check the box. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. In the terminal, enter the command gpupdate. Press the Enter key and wait for it to complete. Chapter 6. How to fix error USB laptop not working reinstalling driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Then, in the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section, right-click on the driver with error and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. When it is uninstalled, from the Action menu, click on Scan for hardware changes, and after a moment the driver will be reinstalled without error. Chapter 7. How to fix error USB laptop not working from File Explorer. To start, open File Explorer and go to the path you see on the screen to the INF folder. When accessing this folder, right-click on the WPDMTP, select the Install option, click Yes to authorize. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.